dietitian here at the University of North Dakota. We're celebrating National Nutrition Month by our annual Chopped Competition. This competition, we have students that create teams of 3 to 4 students per team. They're giving a healthy market basket of ingredients and in turn have to create meals for our judges. We like to take their creations and eventually put them onto our menus here in the dining centers. These teams are having to work on teamwork. We encourage them to have fun and to work with one another as they have to create these meals. Let's go check in and see how our teams are doing this year, and we want to find out who the 2018 Chopped Champion is going to be. Hi Brooke, how was the event tonight?
It's pretty fun.
Did you have fun?
It went quick. Yeah, we had loads of fun.
So what possessed you to do Chopped?
We like to get involved on campus. We like to have fun and cooking. So
Tell me a little bit about the inspiration for your dish.
well, we kind of been kicking some ideas around, and we decided to go with tacos, and we just weren't sure like what we were gonna put in them and how we are gonna orient it, but we kind of did it on the spot and it worked out.
Alec, I'm going to call him the team captain for the winning team tonight on the second semifinal night. It's going on to the championship. Alec, will you tell us a little bit about the inspiration for your dish?
Came with the idea of a taco. We made the pineapple jelly that went on top of it.
That was excellent.
Thank you.
Okay, and what possessed you and your team to become Chopped members?
We cook food all the time at home, and I'm actually familiar with this place, like here.
Okay.
So I thought maybe it's a good idea to try something different here. And since it's a kind of having all of us from different culture, so I thought let's give it a try.
We're here with the 2018 Chopped Competition champions. Give yourself a round of applause. Tell me, what was the inspiration behind your dish?
Our cuisine, and we want to introduce our culture cuisine to here, so people will know how good our food is, and there will be a new trend here, because when I was new here I saw every food American, and I was feeling too much difficulty to eat something because I was not used to that food, and it doesn't have that taste, but now it is well.
Perfect. Again, I want to thank you guys for competing, and I was so impressed. Think of the event?
I was quite impressed. I've judged many food contests, and they're also different, but I thought your system of judging was good. Well, it just is, it adds so much depth to your service here to have events like this, because it shows that it's not just a place to feed your face. It's a place to eat and to learn about good nutrition.
Sure.
And to learn about different food habits, different types of food.
Different cuisines from other countries.
Which is really good for people, students, and food was tremendous.